Dude, you're killing me.
What are the earring in your head?
I haven't. I'm not quite sure.
Ow! Ow! No, no, no. That's the ring.
They like the ring because it's shiny.
It's not food.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, you don't wear rings? You're smart.
Oh, it's
yeah.
gone.
Come in on your ring.
Oh.
Oh, you want? That's much bigger. Yeah, there you go. 1, 2, 3. So I got 4 in the hand. What's the saying? 1 in the hand is worth. All right,
Then.
you guys gonna go back to your. Ear. He's upside down. There you go. All right, now on my shoulder.
See, honey?
You guys are not
Do not poop.
at all. What kind of bird? Parakeet, right? Parakeet? What kind of birds? Sun. Oh my God, you got to watch out for your necklace or your bracelet. That thing's like really tiny. He likes the ticket. Yeah, necklace. Found the necklace. Okay. Yeah, well. Okay. This is weird. Oh, see? Yeah, good. They like you. I'm glad they like you. This one. What exactly